Hey guys, this is our read aloud for today called Sam and Dave Dig a Hole. Wow, this should be interesting. On Monday, Sam and Dave dug a hole. When should we stop digging? Asked Sam. We're on a mission, said Dave, and we won't stop digging until we find something spectacular. The hole got so deep that their heads were underground, but they still had not found anything spectacular. We need to keep digging, said Dave. So they kept digging. They took a break, drank some chocolate milk out of a canteen. Sam ate cookies he had wrapped in their grandfather's kerchief. Maybe, said Dave, the problem is that we were digging straight down. Yes, said Sam, that could be the problem. I think we should dig in another direction, said Dave. Yes, said Sam, that's a good idea, but look right under them. What is that? A diamond. Had they kept digging, they would have found a diamond. Wow. I have a new idea, said Dave. Let's split up. Really? Said Sam. Just for a little while, said Dave. It'll help our chances. So Dave went one way and Sam went another. Oh my goodness, look what happened. They missed another diamond. But they did not find anything spectacular. Maybe we should go back to digging straight down, said Dave. Yes, said Sam, that's a good idea. Oh my, look at this huge diamond they missed. Sam and Dave ran out of chocolate milk, but they kept digging. They shared the last animal cookie, but they kept digging. After a while, Sam sat down. Dave, he said, I am tired. I cannot dig any more. I am tired too, said Dave. We should take a rest. Sam and Dave fell asleep. The doggie has dug. Oh no, then Sam and Dave were falling. Sam and Dave fell down until they landed in the soft dirt. Well, said Sam. Well, said Dave, that was pretty spectacular. And they went inside for chocolate milk and cookies. That was silly. That was a fun adventure. Bye, guys.